today we have Yeezy 350 blue tints dropping, and stock numbers are supposed to be less than blue goods. And these are going to be $230 retail price instead of $220 retail price. So me being in a high tax state, that really cuts into my profit margins. So essentially I have to prioritize my sizing to make sure to only go for the sizes that are expected to resell for more money. I expect the vast majority of my checkouts here to be slots for notified group members. I don't have any of my own profiles allocated to my Stormbot, which absolutely just destroys on DSG, literally never misses. I only run slots for my group members and notify, which will be restocking in a few days from today. Here is the restock information, and if you want to get into botting and reselling, becoming a member of our group is one of the best ways to get started. Anyways, I'm going to set up a little bit more. We have about 30 minutes before the drop. Hopefully we get some checkouts right away. Let's see what ends up happening. Oh, got one. Checkouts are actually pretty slow in comparison to last drop. I guess it's expected because stock isn't as high. They really didn't drop that much stock at all. I it's fine. Alright, I think next set of drops are going to be at 8. Let's get it. Bro, why is it going mad slow? Go faster, dude. Bro, I'm watching Shopify again. Oh, I got one! What? I did not deserve that checkout. But I'll take it. Oh, I got one. Size 13, baby. Another size 13. Yo, why I keep getting size 13? Yo, I have 4 size 13s. Why? Get me something else. Nice. I got a 12.5. Let's go. Size 11, okay. So we got 18 checkouts on Yeezy Supply. By the way, all of these sizes are size 10 and up, except for one which was size 9.5. This drop was a lot more difficult than a lot of people expected. A lot of people got a bunch of errors. Bigger sizes sold out right away. Hopefully this makes prices go up. I'm very hopeful about that. But yeah, I am pretty happy about it. We're going to be going for some Shopify websites now. I really got to practice on that. I'm just not hitting Shopify recently. I was actually just going to pass on Shopify, being that I basically got as many pairs as I wanted, but I just got to practice it. So we'll see what happens at 10. Hopefully I can get some more. They did not put anti-bot. Sick. Why does Kiss do that? Ah, man. My Shopify skills right now is just not there. Overall, that drop went super well. However, I gotta figure out what's going on with my Shopify skills. I gotta change something up because obviously whatever I'm doing is not working. But anyways, a lot of the shoes did come in already. Here they are. Honestly, this is super beautiful. That contrast between the blue and the red is honestly super nice, and I'm just not crazy about them, that's all. But you know what I am crazy about are these. You already know what it is if you recognize the box, but they are the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Now, if you saw my live cop for that, I didn't manage to get my size and I wanted one really, really bad. But they restocked recently and I ran up random sizes and boom, I ended up hitting my size. It was just meant to be, guys. Out of all the sizes I could have possibly got, my size was the one that ended up hitting. So let's try these on. This is fire, bro. Anyways, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.